So day 4, I'm going to actually put up the table. Good morning, everyone. Day 3. I think this is technically this is like a day 4. Day 3 was very quick. I didn't record nothing from day 3, but let me show you what I did for day 3. Day 3, right? So this is day 4, but day 3, I just brought everything from the garage. This right here is my nephew's desk. Have some black vinyl, skin the table. My desk is over here. This box right here is everything that came from my original desk setup. This was the first thing that was in the room. I needed to make sure this was the first thing here because all my screws for my tables, everything, all my essential stuff is in here. The desk did come with wheels when I first originally bought it, and someone told me to keep it. So even though I'm saying this, I really hope I brought the wheels. I should check if I brought the wheels first, because yeah, I should check to see if I bought the wheels. When I was setting up the table, I ran out of space. Because of the shape of the table, I reversed the setups to have my nephew set up on by the door and my setup on this side. Originally, this desk was over here and this was over here. But because of the shape this L is making, it's kind of difficult. You're coming in from outside. There goes the box right there. This is the box. Look. It can't fit in here, so I have to do everything from out, bring it in and cut it eventually. Or it's basically separating the setups, and the shelf right here is separating the two. I have room to move around. Now what I'm working on is not the desk, but the lighting, the lights. I have my Govee lights in here, which I'm gonna put on the wall. It's somewhere over here, but it's like a this right here is what I'm talking about. I don't know. I think this is I think this is Vegito. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking Vegito. I think like Super Saiyan Blue Vegito or Super Saiyan Vegito, but it does have RGB in the back. I'm like debating if I should put it here. My daughter's like kind of finger painted a little bit on it. So the dark room, you can't really see it that well, so I'm not about it. Anyway, so Govee light over here, this right here, the thing over here, because I have the wall wood panel here, that's gonna go down all the way here, and on that side where the PS5 is, over here. And this wall over here is gonna have these hexagons and these right here, which I picked up, which I've seen so many YouTubers use them, and I was like, you know what, let's give it a try. So that's what I'm gonna be working on. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna record it. It's gonna take me some time. I'll show you the final design of what I'm trying to do here, because I still don't know what I want to do with it. All right, bye. This is like, I think day 5. This is what I did before I went to sleep yesterday. This is what I did last night. This is on the wall, and I'm glad the cord is black so it can blend in the wall. Thinking about getting maybe a few more, but I kind of like the incompleteness of it. Like it, you know, let me know what you think. I got the Govi lights. I got my displays. Goat right there. Goku, first anime, a major anime of my life that got me into everything. Dragon Ball Z, of course. Dragon Ball Z. Squall right there. First RPG game was Final Fantasy VIII. Sung Jin Woo. My first manhwa, Solo Leveling. Got the wheels underneath. Prior to that, we didn't have wheels. We actually had these right here. I have one of the monitors up, so I'm going the same monitor layout I had in my last setup, which was quad. So vertical, or horizontal, vertical, and I have another monitor underneath, so I'll have 4 monitors. This is gonna be my streaming light right here. All these cords have a reason. Got the Alexa going on. Alexa's already wired for all the lights in the room. Alexa, I'm out.
Okay.
As you can see, Alexa, let's do this.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what I got so far. I like it. You know, I like the progress. Could be moving a little faster, but when you got kids, you gotta, you gotta prioritize a lot of stuff. So, you gotta take your time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think so far. I like it. I like it.